Welcome to My Diethelm. To access our online booking, first you'll need to log in to My Diethelm, the agent portal. Simply go to www.diethelmtravel.com and click on My Diethelm at the top right corner of the page. Log in with your username and password provided by our sales team. The login page is restricted to allow only authorized users to secure rates and make bookings directly online. So, we are now logged into My Diethelm. Hover to the menu on the sidebar and click on Online Booking to enter the online booking page. For the first-time user, you will need to still insert the same username and password to access online booking platform one more time. However, you can save the username and password for future single-click access. Let's say you'd like to book a trip to Thailand. Simply select Thailand from the drop-down list on the right side. You'll see a warning message asking you to confirm if you want to switch country. If you have an ongoing booking in Bhutan, for example, please ensure to complete the booking first before switching the country. At the moment, the platform only allows us to book one country at a time. However, we're in the process of developing online cross-country booking, so stay tuned. When you arrive on the agent area, you will see the newsletter archive section. On the navigation bar, you can decide whether to make a booking, look at product tariff, do a product search, check availability, search the media library, or look at your online account. There, you're now ready to make your first booking or a quotation, and you can view your bookings afterwards.